Good morning. Good morning. How are you guys this morning? How are you doing? Welcome to Nettie's amazing house. What am I doing today? Wasn't planning on showing you guys what I'm doing, but why not? I'm preparing this for dinner today, and my festival dough what me make from last night. Festival me just gonna throw it in the deep fryer maybe and fry some sweet potato. Oh, let me show you the sweet potato. This is the Jamaican sweet potato. You ever fry sweet potatoes? Fry sweet potato, Jamaican fried sweet potato. Yep. This is what we used to make Jamaican sweet potato pudding. Yep, so I might fry this too. And that's it for today. That's it for today. Nettie's amazing house. Nettie's amazing house. Nettie's amazing house. Nettie's amazing house. You know my children them said I can't sing. Yep. I don't know how come, because when I was much younger I used to be in school choir. Even though I believe I was in that choir because of my friends. All of my friends, they can sing. So I said, yeah, I'm gonna be in the choir too. Okay, one day I'm gonna give you a joke about that choir. Anyways, I'll keep you in touch of what I am doing today. Might show you some of the process, not all of it. And just hanging out. CNN. I don't turn this bugger off. So I'll just vlog as I go. Might not show you everything as I says, but just keep this in a little vibes in it. Okay guys, here's my fish all clean and ready to season. I'm about to mix my seasoned. Here I have sea salt, fish seasoning, and black pepper. What other seasoning I could put to this? Comment down below and let me know what other season I could add to this. I don't want to add too much other seasoning, but this is what I would just use salt and pepper. That's it. But sometime I'll add the fish seasoning. So today I'll add some fish seasoning. So I'm gonna mix this all together and season my fish. So here it is guys, my fish fully seasoned. I took one and put it to the side to season. I'm gonna put this one in the freezer for one day when I feel for a roast fish. I'll just take it out and put it in the oven. So I'm gonna wrap this bad boy up in the foil and freeze it for another day. Here it is. I don't have any color though guys, so I'm gonna just use my okra, my scallion. I chose some fish seasoning on it. Yep, there it is, fully seasoned. Yes, it's fully seasoned. Here's my fish. Yep, there they are. I'm gonna fry them up later for me and my rascals. Yep. Just finished cleaning the fish. Look, fish scale. Fish scale. Okay, so I'm gonna let my fish soak in the seasoning and fry them later on in the evening because it's for dinner with my festival and my sweet potatoes. Nettie's amazing house. said I have one dance. I don't know which one it is, but I don't even know. Anyways, guys, see you later. Okay? I need my car. I need it now. And I know I'm gonna get it pretty soon. Because I'm a blessed girl. So now I'm making my onion and my pepper pickles to put on my fish when I fry it. So this is pimento seed, onion, carrots, and scotch bonnet. That's all. And vinegar. So I'm gonna just let this come to a little boil. I don't want it to cook. I just want it to boil a little, and then I turn it off and let it sit. And when I finish frying my fish, it will go over my fish. So I'm rolling my festival. This is my dough. I didn't show you guys how I make my dough, but in another video I'll show you, because this wasn't really planned. Wasn't planned at all. Now you can see why I need a bigger kitchen. Definitely need a bigger kitchen. Yep. So I can have all the space I need. All the space I want. That's my sweet potatoes. Here it is. I'm gonna deep fry those. And my festival ready to go into the deep fryer. Because my dough is soft, it sticks to the plate, but that's okay. Peeping Tom. This is my fried sweet potato with my few pieces of breadfruit. Here they are. All I did is slice the sweet potato and add a little salt. Put a pepper, a green scotch bonnet pepper in my pot. Now I'm putting it in my fish. You guys, my deep fryer, I have this a long time. I have to duct tape the handle. It works. Don't want my fish to stick together, so I'm gonna give it a shake. Okay guys, Here it is. Here it is. My festival of my fried fish. Festival fried breadfruit, fried sweet potatoes. Yeah, here it is. Fried fish and festival. So guys, remember I was saying this wasn't a planned video. I was just gonna make my supper and I decided this morning that I'm gonna video. My festival. Come on, zoom in. Nice and soft. Very soft. Nice, soft, delicious festival. I'm a mess, I know, but so good. Very soft. From my amazing house to yours. One love. Remember, like, subscribe, share. Wish you were here to have some. It is so good. One love. I love you. Look how soft this is. Okay guys, I cannot wait to dive in. Wow. I'm going to enjoy this. Oh God. This is so good. I know you're not having nothing. Pepper. Spicy.